Here we are at the project for the storm damage. We got to get them branches out of the way and a little bit of cleanup down around the sides here. I showed you if you're new to the channel. This is a storm that came through like a microburst, and we've been hired to come and take care of it. So we're going to take care of all these branches on the roof and take some video for just in case there was some damage. So let's get some trimmers, get up there and start cutting away at some of this. Let's get up top and assess it a little bit. Find out whether the left side's got to come down first or the right side's got to come down first. Looking at that, that looks okay. This here, I don't know if that was done by this. But I'm going to take a picture. And then we'll cut this. Take that over the edge. Then I want to take this off slow. Take that one next. So this one here we'll cut probably down in there. Get that off, get this, bring this down, throw this over the edge. That'll take some of the weight off of it. Then go down a little further, maybe see if we can hoof that. This one that comes this way here, I'm thinking that might just get chucked. I'll cut a couple pieces off and then we'll just chuck that up over. Let's go get the saw. Everything looks okay here. Doesn't look like it damaged the roof here or down there. I mean, it's got a little bit of just where it was leaning on the roof. But other than that, Everything looks fine. Just get some of this off. We're not very high. The ground is right there. 6-7 feet down. That's all. Now we just have to take that one piece out of there and do the cleanup on the ground. on to the next. So that's it for this project. Taking the gloves off, that means we're done. If you liked the video, give me a big old thumbs up. So don't forget to subscribe, and we're done.